video, where we have our hands on a set of S20 replica devices and accompanying cases, taking a close look at the camera, buttons and screen size that possibly confirm how this new handset will eventually look. We've received high quality replica testing units directly from factories in China, who've been using these dummy units to test accessories being produced for Samsung's upcoming S20 series. With this information, it's clear to see that there will be 3 handsets from Samsung, dubbed by the online tech community as the S20, S20 Plus, and S20 Ultra. Looking at them side by side, we can see a similar size pattern here, with the S20 and the S20 Plus models matching the S10 models in height and width almost exactly, with slight deviations either way in height. The venture into the unknown here is of course the S20 Ultra. However, it does follow closely in the steps of the Note 10 Plus series, with its ultra-large screen size, similar button and port placements and functions, and single hole punch front-facing camera central to the top of the screen. So, measuring them up against each other, the 3 devices look pretty similar in terms of button and port placement, with the only difference here being the variations in camera and lens combinations and gradual increase in size. Taking the display into consideration, the S20 measures around 6.3 inches, the S20 Plus around 6.7 inches, and the S20 Ultra coming in at a massive 6.9 inches. But of course, with the S20 Ultra being the premium handset out of the 3 with the overall expansive size, larger camera and speculated luxury features, the main draw to this new series is yet to be revealed in terms of internal performance. But from these dummy handsets, we can determine a few things from the clues left around the exterior. Taking a look at the button placement, we have only 2 buttons on the entire phone, compared to the S10 where we had the additional Bixby button on the left hand side. Even though some may say that this is a downgrade, it does make holding the phone much more ergonomically friendly, allowing easy one-touch access to the power and volume rocker switch. Along the bottom, you'll find the usual lineup of the USB-C charging port nestled between the microphone and the speaker. However, we notice yet another major removal as we say goodbye to the headphone jack in the S series. But with the Note 10 and Plus models recently taking both of these steps, it seems a common trope of modern smartphones to go for the ultra-clean, minimal design with completely wireless accessories. The talking point to this device has been the biggest addition to the back of the phone, going down the large, square, multi-lens camera route reminiscent of the iPhone 11. The standard S20 will sport a thin 3-camera setup, whereas the S20 Plus and Ultra models will sport the 4 or even 5-lens setup, with this monster-sized raised bump dominating the handset look and feel. It's speculated that the S20 Ultra will feature a main 108-megapixel camera with accompanying telephoto, ultra-wide and time-of-flight lenses for taking DSLR standard professional photos straight to your phone. To further confirm what little details these replicas give us, we have a set of carbon fibre cases sent to us from Elixir. Now in mass production, these cases reaffirm the legitimate features on these dummies as near enough the final layout of the upcoming handset. Even though the phone's lens inclusion and overall internal tech is still speculated even to this day, we can now at least understand the rough direction Samsung are heading with this latest addition to the S series range. So that's it for our look at the potential S20 range. Please do let us know your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to check out our channel for further developments in smartphone tech and the latest